Hi, in this lesson, we are going to start to create some simple tools that we're going to be using in our React executor. I have created this file here, tools. We're going to put our tools so we can use in our React executor. But before that, let me just do a small change that I left behind in the last lesson. So we should return here a agent and a boolean. So instead of only agent, so it'll be a tuple. And here in our agent, we have to skip. And here we're gonna add if skip continue. And because we have had this continue here that might not be executing the rest of the code, I think it's better we just move this block of code into the top so we can safely run it. So I think that it here. So just a small change that I wanted to do. And let's start to work in our tools. So we are going to actually create a very simple tool, which will be a calculator. And you're going to wrap this calculator with the tool object that you have in our commons. So we can later use this function wrapped in a tool to be executing on the React paradigm. So let's start. So first, a calculator. I think it would be better to form calculator. And you're going to actually have two parameters. It would be operation, would be string, and it would be A and B. And then you're going to have the operation. If it is add, you're going to perform the addition. If subtraction, I'll perform the subtraction, multiply, divide, and if any of those is not passed, anything else would be invalid operation. That's it. Basically, this is our tool, basically our function. And now we're going to actually wrap this function in a tool, which would be calculator. Let's say calculator tool equals to tool calculator, and would be perform calculator and to perform, and you'll be using to perform math calculation. Another tool that I want to do, it is actually not a tool, but it is a agent. So let's just create very quick here. People search agent, be agent, and you're gonna have here people search agent. Then and the structure will be you are a helpful assistant that help to find people information on the Wikipedia using its name. So it's just that. Can just do like this. We will actually have a function now, and this function will be actually we don't have the Wikipedia search tool yet. Let's just use the calculator tool. Calculate tool, and let's wrap this into a tool. So this will be people search tool, and they're gonna be a people search, and it'll be a people search agent instead, and to search for some information. And it is basically that, I think. So we have created two tools. One tool that will be to calculate, and another tool which it is a agent, which contain a calculator tool again. So this would be a different tools, because you can see here that the instruction it is to search people information in the Wikipedia, and calculator tool doesn't do that. But for now, just for illustration, we are gonna use the same tool that you already have available here. And now it's time to kind of pass this tool that we have just created to our main agent. and it will be basically functions, and they're gonna pass people search tool and calculator tool. And now we have 2 agents and 1 tool. And basically this agent on our executor, React executor, we're gonna see if you were gonna use the tool itself or if you're gonna actually use this tool that will be actually one agent. And I think, let me see if you have this here, any logic for this. No, we have not added this logic yet, but you can see here, that's why we are always receiving the agent that it's then passed to the observation, because as part of the action here, we will be retrieving the tool, and the tool can actually be another agent. So that's why you have added this space here. And if this agent, it's different of the current agent, we are going to actually skip. So that's why we have added this piece of code here. So next lesson, all that will be much clearer, because you're going to see how you can extract tool and execute it as part of our React execution. So stay tuned. Next lecture will be very interesting one. See you.